Good evening. Welcome to our bistro. Do you have a table?
Hello. I do not have one. Is there a free spot?
We have a great table. It is near the window. Please follow me.
That sounds perfect. I love the view. Thank you for your help.
Here is your seat. Sit down and relax. I will bring the menu.
This chair is soft. The place feels cozy. Can I have some water?
Of course. I will bring a bottle. I will be back quickly.
Great. I am very thirsty. I need a cool drink.
Here is your fresh water. Are you ready to choose? Take your time.
Not yet. The menu is large. What is good today?
Our grilled chicken is excellent. Many people order the steak. It is fresh.
The chicken sounds nice. Does it come with vegetables? Tell me, please.
Yes, it comes with potatoes. The vegetables are seasonal. They are tasty.
I will take the chicken. Please bring a salad, too. I like greens.
Excellent choice. Do you want a juice? We have fresh orange juice.
Yes, one orange juice. Make it cold. Thank you very much.
One chicken and juice. I will start the order. Wait a moment.
Thank you, Mary. I will wait here. I enjoy the music.
The kitchen is busy, but the chef is fast. He is very good.
I am quite hungry. I worked all day long. Lunch was very small.
You deserve a big meal. Our portions are large. You will be full.
That is good news. I like big plates. I am very excited.
I am happy for you. Enjoy the atmosphere. I'm going now.
See you soon. I will drink some water. It tastes very good.
You are welcome. I will be back soon. Enjoy your time.
This water is very cold. It is very refreshing. I feel much better.
I am back. Here is your orange juice. It is freshly squeezed.
Thank you. It looks delicious. Is the kitchen very busy?
Yes, we have many guests. Your food is coming soon. Please wait.
No problem. I enjoy the jazz. This song is beautiful. I like it.
We chose it for relaxation. It makes people feel happy. Do you agree?
I agree completely. It is very calm here. I like the decor.
Thank you. We renovated last month. Everything is new and clean.
It shows in the style. You did a great job. I like the colors.
We wanted a modern look. The blue walls are nice. They look soft.
They match the wooden tables. The lighting is also warm. It is perfect.
Do you live near here, or are you a guest? I am curious.
I live in the center. I walk to work daily. It is very close.
That is very convenient. No cars and no stress. Walking is very healthy.
You were right. I walk 10,000 steps. I feel very strong.
That is impressive. You are a healthy man. I should walk more.
You walk a lot here. You are always moving fast. You look fit.
That is true. I am always on my feet. I am tired at night.
I can imagine that. You need a good rest. Your job is hard.
But I love meeting people. Every day is a story. It is fun.
You are a positive person. That is very important. I like your energy.
Thank you, Jack. Your chicken is almost ready. I see the tray.
I can smell the spices. My hunger is very strong. I am ready.
Almost there. I'm going to check. Stay right there.
I am staying. Please bring the food. I am very ready.
Here is your grilled chicken. The plate is very hot. Please be careful.
Wow, it looks amazing. The colors are very bright. Thank you, Mary.
Is the chicken cooked well? Please try a piece. I want to know.
It is very juicy. The spices are quite interesting. I like this flavor.
We use special local herbs. They add a unique taste. Our chef knows.
The potatoes are also soft. This is a great meal. I'm happy.
I'm glad. The salad is also fresh. We grew it nearby. Try it.
I can taste the quality. The tomatoes are sweet. This dressing is nice.
Great! Do you need more juice? Your glass is almost empty. Tell me.
Yes, please. Another orange juice. It is very delicious. I love it.
Coming right up. I will be very fast. Do you need salt?
No, it is fine. The spices are enough. I do not need salt.
Okay, here is your juice. Drink and eat well. Take your time.
Thank you, Mary. You are a great waitress. I feel very welcome.
Thank you, Jack. That is very kind. I enjoy my work here.
Do you work every day? You seem very busy. Do you rest?
I work 5 days. I rest on weekends. I like my free time.
What do you do then? Do you go out? Do you sleep?
I go to the park. I read many books. I visit my family.
That is a good life. Family is very important. I love my family.
I agree. Family is everything. Is your dinner finished? Tell me now.
Almost. Just one more bite. The portion was huge. I'm full.
Do you want some dessert? We have chocolate cake. It is very famous.
I am quite full, but I love chocolate. Is the cake light?
It is very light. We use dark cocoa. It is not too heavy.
Okay, I will try it. Bring one slice, please. I cannot say no.
Great choice. Do you want coffee? It goes well with cake. Try it.
Yes, a black coffee. Do not add any sugar. I like it strong.
I will bring it soon. Our coffee is very fresh. You will like it.
I love the smell. It is exactly what I need. I feel good.
Here is the cake. It is still very warm. Enjoy your dessert, Jack.
It looks beautiful. The chocolate is very dark. I like the style.
And here is your coffee. It is very hot. Do not burn yourself.
Thank you. I will wait a bit. The smell is very powerful.
How does the cake taste? Is it too sweet? Tell me the truth.
It is just right. The cake is moist. It is the best cake.
Our baker is very talented. She works every morning. The cake is fresh.
I can tell. It is better than shops. I am very impressed.
We try our best. We want happy guests. Do you need more coffee?
No, 1 cup is enough. I need to sleep tonight. Coffee is strong.
I understand. It is late now. The sun is going down. It is nice.
Yes, the view is nice. The street is beautiful. I like the evening.
Me too. The lights are pretty. Do you live near here? Tell me.
I live 10 minutes away. I walk to my house. It is easy.
That is very convenient. No cars and no stress. Walking is very healthy.
I agree. I walk every morning. It makes me feel good. I am happy.
You are a healthy man. No bread and just salad and some walking.
But I ate the cake. Chocolate is my only weakness. I am very sorry.
Do not be sorry. Life needs some sugar. Everyone likes a treat, right?
You are right. I feel very good now. The meal was excellent.
Was everything okay? Did you enjoy the evening? I hope you did.
Yes, it was fantastic. Everything was perfect. Can I have the bill?
Certainly. I will bring it. Here you go, Jack. Take your time.
Let me see. The price is very fair. It is $30 total.
Is the amount correct? No mistakes on paper? I hope it is right.
Yes, it is correct. This is a good price. I am ready now.
How do you pay? Cash or credit card? We accept both here.
I will pay by card. Here is my card. Please take it now.
Thank you. I need the machine. I will be back soon. Stay here.
No problem. I'm waiting. Do I need to sign? Tell me, please.
Yes, please sign here. Here is your receipt. Keep it in your pocket.
Thank you. I will put it away. Do you want a tip?
Tips are not required, but they are very kind. It is your choice.
You were great today. Here is $5 for your good work.
Thank you so much. That is very generous. I really appreciate it, Jack.
You are welcome, Mary. You made my evening good. I will come back.
We will be happy. Please bring your friends. We have big tables.
I will tell them. My friends love good food. They will like this.
Great. We are open daily from noon until 10. Come anytime soon.
Good to know. I usually eat late. 10 is perfect for me.
We will wait for you. Is there anything else? Do you need water?
No, I'm fine. I am very full now. I need to walk.
Yes, the walk is good. The air is fresh now. Enjoy your walk.
Thank you, Mary. You too. Have a quiet night here. I'm leaving.
Thank you, I will. I'm cleaning the table. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
Here is your coat. It is cold outside. Please wear it now.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot my coat. You're very attentive.
It is my job. I check everything. Do you have your phone? Check it.
Let me check. Yes, my phone is here. My keys are also here.
Good. Do not leave anything. Many people lose their keys. Be careful.
Not me today. I am very careful. Thank you for the reminder.
You are welcome. The door is over there. Watch your step, please.
I see the step. Thank you. The floor is very clean. It shines.
We cleaned it recently. We want it to shine. Have a safe walk.
I will. The street is quiet. I like this neighborhood. It is nice.
It is a safe place. Many families live here. It is very peaceful.
See you next week. I will bring my sister. She loves chicken.
That is wonderful. I will remember you. Your name is Jack, right?
Yes, I am Jack, and you are Mary. I will remember your name.
Correct. Have a good night. Sleep well after the meal. See you soon.
You too, Mary. Good night. See you very soon. Have a nice rest.
Goodbye, Jack. Take care. The restaurant is closing. I am going home.
Goodbye. I'm walking now. The air is very cold. I feel good.
Have a nice dream. You had a big dinner. Rest your body now.
Thank you. You are very kind. I will see you again. I promise.
You are welcome. Good luck with your work. See you next week, Jack.